Yeah, we got one of these fancy coffee makers that just quit working. So basically, I took the back off of it so we can see what goes on here. Okay. And it should be heating up. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if it acts up here. I'm not sure what this. I don't think this was connected to anything. I think it's more of a air. It draws air in. See, that's what I have to do. You have to push the handle down. There's a switch in there. So you basically have to hold that down to get your cup of coffee. I'm trying to find where the switch is in there, and I can't figure out how to take this top part off. If I can figure that switch out, this will work just fine. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a little white tab on the bottom, and then there's two wires coming out. But it's not, I think it's a magnetic deal, and I don't see any way to adjust it. But I think that's the problem. So I'm wondering if I just clip them two wires and tie them together. It's junk anyhow, so I might try that. Alright, I snipped the wires that went to that, whatever that was up here. So we're trying it with it open. Okay, so yeah, it's not working. Alright, so I just twisted them together, and we are working. So all that does is if you lift this handle up, it will shut off the pump. We're not planning on lifting that handle up. So yeah, I think I'm going to make that permanent. Yeah, I told my wife I fixed it, and she said, "Oh, good, you got a coffee pot for your shop." No, I don't think so. I've tried two different coffee pots out here, and basically they end up just collecting dust. So let's explore this extremely complicated coffee maker. Yes, this thing is, wow. Let me get a light on this. There is a lot of plumbing inside this coffee maker. So yeah, let's I don't know if I want to take it apart or not. Let's at least take a look at it.